Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited about this Publix haul. I could not believe how much stuff that I just got from Publix for free. So my total at the register was about $130. I spent $24, but I got back so much money from the IBOTTA app, Shopkick, Swagbucks, Checkout 51, and Fetch that I had a $5 moneymaker when I was all done with my transaction. So I'm going to be sharing that with you guys today. Go ahead and make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and hit that notification bell and click all so you know when all my deals will be popping up. So let's go ahead and get started with Publix. So this is a better deal here at Publix. They are buy one, get one free. So what you're going to do is pick up one bag of these for $1. There is a 50-cent IBOTTA rebate coming off on this, making this just 50 cents. Now, when I was at Walmart yesterday, I think it came up to be like $1.16. So it's a much better deal here at Publix for 50 cents per bag. So this deal was better than I expected when I went in the store because this is going to be a money maker. So these are 2 for $5. I thought they were 2 for $6, but they're 2 for $5. What you're going to do is pick up both of them. You're going to submit your receipt to Swagbucks for 500 Swagbucks or $5 when you buy 2. And then you're also going to head on over to Checkout 51, submit your receipt for $1 each. That's $2 at Checkout 51, making this a $2 money maker. Super excited about this, and I'm probably going to go back this week and grab some more. Alright, so we have a deal on the Pam cooking spray. These are normally $3.97. They're buy one, get one free. We're going to be picking up one of these just for about $2. No coupons needed on this deal, so I like it a lot. I'm just going to pick up one. Usually you go to the store, you pay $4 to $5 on these, so I'm just going to get one for $2. No coupons needed on this deal. Alright, the next deal is on this Palmyla dish soap. These are buy one, get one free this week. So you're picking up one of them for $1.25. Head on over to the Palmyla website, print this 25-cent coupon, taking that down to just $1 per bottle of Palmyla. The Cool Whip is on sale just in time for Easter dessert. So these are $1.50 or 2 for $3. What we're going to do is submit to IBOTTA for 50 cents, taking this down to just $1 each. There's also a bonus on IBOTTA, so check that out as well if you buy so many items with the Cool Whip and also the marshmallows. So here is my deal of the day. Whatever your deal of the day was, please comment for me so I can know what you guys are excited about with these deals. So this is the World Best Cat Litter, and I just stumbled upon this. I've been saving on to this high value coupon of $6 off. Been waiting for something great to come about with this. So these are on the save. It says save for $7.99. So no sale or clearance or anything. I used the $6 coupon, bringing it down to just $1.99. So I was excited about that. We have a cat, and I try to stock up on cat litter whenever I can find good deals with coupons. So just $1.99 for this cat litter. Here are one of those amazing Publix money makers that helped me to be great today. Anytime I have money makers like this, I use the overage of these items to pay for other things like the cat litter and the Pam spray that I still had some cost on that. So these pads are $3.97. There is a $4 coupon in the spring savings booklet. Now these coupons expire on the 15th, so make sure you go as fast as you can. We're going to buy 2 packs, so using that coupon, $4 off. And then we're also going to use a $4 off coupon for the U by Kotex. So that's $8 in coupons. So we're going to make about 3 cents per pack of pads after we use one of those spring savings book coupons for $4 and one of the $4 coupons. Alright, so we have another money maker. Woo, woo, woo. These money makers are making me so happy. And I'm just going to tell you, at Publix, you can use 8 of the same coupons in the same transaction. So what I did was I wanted to maximize all my savings and all that overage. So I went ahead, because I had 8 of these coupons, actually I had 10 of them, I went ahead and picked up 8 tubes of this Colgate Optic White toothpaste for $1.80 each. So with that $1.80 each, I used a $1 off coupon that was in the spring savings booklet. This expires on the 15th. And then I used a $1 off Colgate coupon. Now, if you do not have this Colgate coupon, you can save even more money. There is a coupon on the coupon app. If you buy 2 tubes of this toothpaste, you can save $3, and you can submit that. So that's even better savings, but I went ahead and used my paper coupons. So I was able to get these toothpaste for a 20-cent moneymaker. So they were $1.80. Use the $1 spring savings booklet coupon and a $1 toothpaste coupon, making this a 20-cent moneymaker on each tube. I went ahead and picked up 8 tubes of this toothpaste and used that overage to pay for other things in my haul.